What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today's question is, are you buying Milwaukee Fuel tools? So, the Milwaukee Tool Company sells a line of tools that are branded their Fuel line. If you are, you could be missing out on some cool swag and possibly even tools that you could win if you'd entered into their contest. We'll talk about that in a second.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Yeah.
When you open up your new tools, you're all excited to get to work, admire your tools, shine them up, put them up on a shelf, put them in your tool bag, put them to work, whatever it is you do with your tools. You open your box and you look at your tools, and most times what you'll do is you'll put the owner's manual aside. Also, there comes some written literature that a lot of people gloss over. You might be unaware that in these fuel tools comes something like this, okay? And I'll read it to you, but this little piece of written material came in a tool-only box. This larger one came in a kit. And as you can see, it was wrapped around my charger. It was wrapped around the charger. So what happens is in the fury to get to work or admire your tools, you take this and boom, you put it off to the side. You don't even realize what it says. It says, thanks for stepping up to the best tool money can buy. Win a 10-piece combo toolkit. One winner per month, drawn from each month's registered participants. Or win an M12 Fuel T-shirt. 1 in 10 wins drawn from each month's registered participants. So 1 in 10. Wow. You could possibly win a Fuel T-shirt. Register at www.milwaukeetool.com/fuel-promo. Enter the code in the box. And right here, you can see there's a promo code. Too late, I already entered it. You're not going to be able to use my promo code. But all you have to do is go to Milwaukee.com. You go to that address. Boom, we're there. And as you can see, it's a simple form. All you need to do is get that code. You put in that code number. You put in an email address, first name, last name, shipping address, city, state, zip code, phone number, trade and occupation, T-shirt size. That's a good indication. Product purchased. Who did you buy the product for? Where did you buy this product? And then you either want to click or unclick the occasionally send me promotions and marketing materials in regarding Milwaukee Fuel and other new Milwaukee products. Hit submit. Boom. That's it. And you have a chance of either winning. 1 in 10 will win a T-shirt, or one winner per month wins the $26.96.15 drawn from each month's registered participants. Look at that. It's a 15-piece combo kit. I mean, look at it. You got an SDS Plus hammer drill, rotary hammer. Look, you got all kinds of good stuff in there. 2 types of circular saw, blower, charger, hammer drill, impact wrench, couple of impact drivers, right angle drill, oscillating tool. I think oscillating tool is pretty much, if you're a remodeler, you need to have an oscillating tool. So let us know. Have you been entering? Leave it down in the comment section below. Every time you buy a new Milwaukee tool that's a fuel tool, have you been entering into this contest? Have you ever won a T-shirt? Have you ever been the big winner of a 15-piece toolkit? We want to know down below. Also, if you like winning or like the possibility of winning giveaways, make sure you smash the like button. Also, if it's your first time to the channel and you haven't already, get subscribed. Smash the bell notification because we publish videos daily. Sometimes those videos are emergency tool deal videos. Why do you want to smash the bell notification? Sometimes those tool deals are only going to last a matter of minutes. How many times in the comments section, I didn't see this until 4 days later. I missed a tool deal. We'll never miss another tool deal ever again. Allow all notifications from VCG Construction. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Good luck if you're getting entered into the sweepstakes. Thought you'd like to know. Kind of, quite frankly, a lot of times I just get them and I threw them away myself until I finally looked and read a little bit closer. And if you like creators that read a little bit closer, make sure you're smashing that like button. Everybody, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.